Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing what's called expedited removal, sometimes referred to as expedited deportation. As I've discussed in other videos, this came about as it was created in the 90s under what was called IRA. It was basically an immigration reform act, and it resulted in the creation of this notion of expedited removal. What does that mean? Well, it means in the past, prior to that act, basically immigration officers had sort of two choices. They could, U.S. Customs and Border Protection officers, they basically could deny someone entry and send them away, or they could admit them. They created this other procedure called expedited deportation or expedited removal. By putting someone through that proceeding, it's sort of like a truncated deportation, if you will. It's kind of like a pocket deportation, if you will. They have pocket authority to impose expedited removal on somebody if they deem them to be entering the United States illegally. The result of this is a 5-year ban, and I've done videos contemporaneously with this one where we've compared like Thailand's system of banning folks for 5 years who are arrested in Thailand for overstay, comparing that to expedited removal in the United States, because the blacklist time, if you will, the timing of the ban is 5 years. Is there a remedy for this? Yes, there is. And depending on the circumstances, an I-212 and possibly an I-601 waiver may be necessary in order to overcome the prior finding of or the prior processing of expedited removal and basically allow someone to come back into the United States, notwithstanding the fact that that 5 years has not run its course. So the thing to take away from this video is, 1, people can be placed in expedited removal proceedings. 2, there is a remedy for it. And 3, the remedy may be, depending on circumstances and the facts in the case, an I-212 and/or an I-601 waiver.